channel. I'm Sonal and I'm so sorry that I haven't uploaded a video since a very long time, but I promise to be more active now and I have a lot of ideas which I'm hoping that I can be regular and put up. So today what I'm doing is that because the monsoon is already here, I thought why not do some interesting DIY on my rainy shoes. So if you remember, there was a video that I did last season which was about shopping for the monsoon from Hill Road, and I bought this pair of really cute shoes. I'm also going to link up the video up here so you can go watch that as well. And these are what I picked up from the street. And for this season, because I don't want to repeat them as it is, I thought why not do like a little DIY and fuck them up and make them into something very interesting. So what I have here is a lot of interesting stuff that I purchased from a nearby craft store. I have some colorful buttons, some little interesting more buttons, and a few paints. This is liquid embroidery from Pellicril. And a thread. So without further ado, I'm gonna get started on the shoes and I'm gonna try and hope to do some really cool, interesting stuff which you guys should enjoy. Okay, so guys, this is how the finished shoes look, and I'm so excited because they hardly look like what they were, and it's so easy to do. As you saw, this is what I've done on the second shoe, which I did not film while doing it. I used different colors, like I used red and green here, and I used purple and yellow on this one. And I'm gonna have to leave these to dry for 24 hours so that all the paint, dries up. And then I'm gonna go walking around in these and I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please do share and like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video, and which I promise I'm going to do regularly from now on. And keep coming back. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram because I'm very active on Instagram, so do go follow me there. Thank you so much. Mwah.